Okay, we got a 2013 GMC Yukon XL and on a starter replacement. I'm in a hurry, so I will not be recording the job, but the starter is under the passenger side and here over that bracket in the top, mounted in the transmission. So I'll try to get a part comparison, but I won't be recording so I can just get this job done, get them on their way. Okay, this is the starter and that's the power connector that's going to it. So just in case this doesn't work, I think that's the pigtail that we would have to replace. All right, on this Yukon XL, while I was at O'Reilly, I think they have a starter problem. I don't know why O'Reilly said it was the alternator. I don't know why the car wouldn't start. That's what I be telling y'all about the parts stores. They just tell you stuff to get you to spend money with them. But basically, if you're doing this job, I didn't record because I wanted to save time and just get them on their way and I can get the tempo tonight. But this is the tab that you take off of the ground connection, and this will be the nut that comes off. There is no washer attached, and it will be a 13 millimeter, just like the two starter bolts that'll come out. One will be in that hole and another will be in that one, and the heat shield that's attached to it comes out with the old starter. It serves no purpose whatsoever. I don't even know why they had it attached, but it's so much room in these motors that you can just slide it right out through that way, or you can finagle it through here. And this is the power connector that you will have to do out. I just got a flat head and lift it up on that part, and it's basically a trainer starter. It's one you can it's pretty easy. If anyone charges you over $200 for this starter, they're getting over on you. So if they tell you over $200, they probably added travel on. This is not an over $200 labor starter. It's right here where you have good access to it as a mechanic. So now you know I'm on a mechanic, so I can save you time and money. And all right, connect the cables.
All right, which one you want connected first?
The positive. Positive, then negative. Then let's try to. Come on, God. Oh man. Yeah.